Welcome to Valley of Fire, Nevada's oldest and most spectacular state park. Located approximately 50 miles northeast of Las Vegas in the heart of the Mojave Desert, this extraordinary landscape covers more than 46,000 acres of vibrant red sandstone formations, towering rock structures, and breathtaking desert scenery. As we soar above the Valley of Fire, a breathtaking landscape unfolds beneath us. These vibrant red sandstone formations, glowing under the desert sun, tell a story that began more than 150 million years ago. During the age of the dinosaurs, this region was covered by vast seas of shifting sand dunes. Over millions of years, layers of sand were compressed into stone, creating the magnificent formations we see today. Wind, water, and time patiently sculpted these rocks into arches, ridges, domes, and towering cliffs, transforming the desert into a natural masterpiece. From above, the Valley of Fire resembles a sea of frozen waves, with flowing patterns and brilliant shades of red, orange, pink, and gold stretching across the landscape. The colors come from iron oxide minerals embedded within the sandstone, creating the fiery appearance that inspired the park's name. During sunrise and sunset, these rocks seem to ignite, glowing with an intensity that makes the entire valley appear to be on fire. Yet this land holds more than geological wonders. Long before roads and trails crossed this desert, Native American peoples journeyed through these canyons and valleys. Ancient cultures found shelter among these rocks, leaving behind thousands of petroglyphs carved into the sandstone. These symbols and images, some over 2000 years old, provide a rare glimpse into the lives, beliefs, and traditions of the people who once called this region home. As our aerial journey continues, notice the incredible variety of formations below. Every ridge, canyon, and rock tower has been shaped by millions of years of natural forces. Rainwater carved winding channels through the sandstone, while powerful desert winds slowly eroded softer layers of rock. The result is a landscape unlike any other in North America, where every turn reveals a new and unexpected wonder. From this bird's eye perspective, the immense scale of the Valley of Fire becomes truly apparent. Rugged mountains rise beyond the horizon while endless sandstone formations stretch across the desert floor. Hidden among them are famous landmarks such as Fire Wave, Elephant Rock, Rainbow Vista, and White Domes, each displaying unique colors, textures, and geological features. In 1935, recognizing the extraordinary beauty and significance of this landscape, Nevada established Valley of Fire as its first state park. Today, it remains one of the most treasured natural destinations in the American Southwest, attracting visitors, photographers, hikers, and adventurers from around the world. As the drone glides over these ancient formations, we are witnessing a landscape shaped by unimaginable spans of time. Every layer of rock tells a chapter of Earth's history, preserving evidence of ancient deserts, changing climates, and the relentless forces of nature. From above, Valley of Fire is more than a desert park. It is a living geological museum, a cultural treasure, and one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the United States. Ancient dunes have hardened into dramatic ridges and canyons stretching across the Mojave Desert. The landscape shifts like waves of fire, glowing intensely under the Nevada sun. Shades of deep red, burnt orange, and soft gold blend together as sunlight moves across the rugged cliffs. The formations stand tall and still, yet feel alive with history and geological power. Shadows stretch through the valleys, revealing hidden curves and sharp edges. As the camera pans slowly, the vast desert silence adds to the dramatic beauty, making the landscape feel both timeless and almost otherworldly in its presence. Atlatl Rock stands as one of the most fascinating cultural landmarks in the Valley of Fire, where ancient history is etched directly into stone. Rising above the desert floor, this towering sandstone formation holds thousands of years of Native American petroglyphs carved by the ancestral Puebloans. The markings depict hunters, animals, and mysterious symbols that whisper stories of survival and spirituality in the harsh desert landscape. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed exploring this incredible place as much as I did capturing it. Your support means a lot. Please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure.